Hello, good morning everyone. How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. It is currently raining out. As you can see, that looks, I don't know what that is. What is that? Why is it so green here? Ugh. I don't know. It's raining. But something bad happened, guys. So I just, by the way, hello, my name's Dylan. Nice to meet you guys. Sorry, I literally just woke up and my car is, I wanted to ask you guys for help because I know obviously you guys know a lot about cars. Well, some of you guys are car experts. So if you're a car expert, please, I'm asking you, begging you, comment down below how to fix this. I don't want to take it to a mechanic and get absolutely ripped off. My brother said it's an easy fix, but I think it might be more serious. So basically, I'm gonna go show you guys the issue, but essentially my car is getting stuck in park and it's not allowing me to go into like reverse or drive unless I like do something which I shouldn't be doing to my car. So I need to take it in and so let me basically, just to give you a little background, this is something that, so if you guys know anything about me, I always recommend when you're signing up for Uber or Lyft, using a used car. I know a lot of people use brand new cars, and if you do, okay, that's fine, but like realize that a lot of people who do use used cars, I don't want to like, you know, be like sorry not sorry, but like most people who use used cars for Uber and Lyft are actually losing money, because you really need to do the math on it. Like, don't just go out and look at the dollar sign at the end of the day. Realize your expenses, and yes, you do get tax write-offs, but like I've heard the argument that, oh yeah, I don't mind using a brand new car because I can write off the depreciation. That's really bad logic, because you're writing off the money. It's not a tax credit, it's a tax deduction. It's really complicated. Talk to an accountant. I'm not an accountant, don't take this as legal advice, but, or as tax advice, but this is just in my opinion. If you're using a brand new car, you're gonna be losing more money than you're gonna be making just on depreciation alone. You're gonna put a lot of wear and tear on a car. If you buy a car with like 7 miles, 10 miles on it, and within the first year, say it's valued at $30,000 when you buy it, right? You have to pay taxes and all that, so you end up paying $35,000. Awesome. You drive that car off the lot, okay, fine, whatever. The car depreciates a little bit. Now you put on 30, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 miles on the car in the first year driving Uber. Maybe you made, I don't know, 40 grand, 50 grand in Uber. But now your car's only worth 20,000. Maybe it's only worth 15,000. You just lost almost $20,000 just on depreciation. So with that being said, I use a used car. I bought my car for 5 grand and it had 100,000 miles on it. I knew I was gonna use it for Uber and Lyft. I didn't want to destroy a brand new car. You know, I thought that would be a stupid idea, which I still do think it's a stupid idea to use a brand new car for Uber and Lyft full time. If you're just doing it part time, you're not putting on like an extra 50,000 miles a year on it. Maybe you're only putting an extra 5,000 or 10,000 miles a year on it. That's fine. You're just doing it for extra side cash. That's cool. And if you're using destination modes and stuff, and you know, maybe you have an hour-long commute and you just use destination mode. Which, if you guys don't know destination mode, maybe you're not a driver yet. Basically, it means you can set a destination, an address. So a lot of really smart people, I actually do this myself. If I have to drive somewhere far, I'll just sign on to Uber and Lyft, put in my destination, and try to get a ride on the way. That way I basically, you know, I'm making money doing something that I'm already doing anyway. So you guys know what I'm saying. That's the difference between part-time and full-time. Let me show you. So yeah, but with that said, when I bought my $5,000 car, yes, it does require more maintenance, but I mean, it never outweighs the cost like of buying a new car. So like, yeah, my car is $5,000. I've only put on in the past 2 years maybe $1,000 or $2,000 worth of work on my car, and like I think like $500 or $600 of that was just maybe up to actually 1,000 of that is probably just doing like details, on my car, and also I got a new sound system in there. So like that stuff's, I could have detailed the car myself or cleaned it out, but you know, I chose to pay somebody to do it because I wanted to get a really good job on it. But you know what I'm saying, it's not a necessary expense. And then the sound system obviously is not necessary either. But with that being said, when you buy a used car for Uber and Lyft, it's gonna come with issues, and also cars don't last forever. But my car, I think, is at 130,000 now, so miles. But yeah, let's go check it out. If you guys could help me out, try to fix this or let me know. I'm obviously not an expert. I try to make this more like a vlog, this channel now, because, sorry, it's gonna get dark for a second, but. All right, so here's my car, right? Let me just show you. Okay, so the issue, okay, let me just show you really quick. This is the issue. Watch it like actually work when I try to show you guys. Okay, so turn on the car, go to start it, right? Turn the lights on, whatever. Now, let me see if I can show you guys. So this here, this gets stuck. Like to put it in reverse, can you see that? This button, like there's a button here. It's hard to show you guys, but yeah, okay, here we go. Here's a good angle. Maybe you can focus right there. Let's see. Okay, this, like my foot's on the brake, right? Foot's on the brake, it doesn't go. Now, I was freaking out because I was at a Starbucks, and so I called up my brother, and he goes, oh, that's just a sensor thing, you know, just move your steering wheel and it should start up. Because it's like, if your steering wheel's in a weird position, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it doesn't start. However, I tried doing that, and it worked after I moved it around a bunch, but so then it started getting really bad, and I was just like pushing the brake, turning the wheel in all sorts of different directions. Like I was just like moving it, still nothing, right? However, now I figured out, because I was looking at it, and my back light is not, it's, maybe I can show you guys. I'm gonna set it down and maybe I can show, but when I press my brake, my back light doesn't turn on, and it doesn't light up, and I can see it in my rear view. If I do get the, like, I press my brake a lot, and like half the time, or like most of the time, it's not turning on like right away. But if I press it hard enough, or like enough times, eventually the light turns on, and that's when I'm allowed to move back. So it's like, it's almost like my car's not sensing that I have my foot on the brake or something. It still works, I can still brake and everything, but like you can see that could be dangerous if I'm like driving and I'm, you know, I'm slowing down and my brake lights don't turn on. That could be dangerous for the car behind me, not knowing that I'm braking. So, and that could be a hazard too, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know if that, what if like they find out, what if I get into an accident and they find out that my brake lights aren't working, you know what I mean? I could be at fault. So let me just show you. I'm gonna set it down here. I'm just gonna talk to you guys loud, but maybe you can see. I'm gonna try to turn my brake up. I'm gonna press my brake. All right, so I'm pressing my brake now. Is it turning on? I don't know, I'm pressing it right now. Oh, I think it is. Yeah, so now it's turning on. Now I can move my car. See? Now it's working. So, as you guys can see, like, I don't know if it took a second to get my car warmed up or what, but like, it's not working all the time. Yesterday I went shopping at Trader Joe's. I got all my groceries and stuff. And then as I'm going to leave, it took me like, honestly, maybe 3 to 4 minutes to just get it to turn, to get into reverse. And so like a car was waiting for me for a while. Maybe it was like 2 minutes, but like still. So right now, like if I pull over, if I'm dropping off my friend or whatever, or you know, driving Uber, I don't put the car in park because I don't want to get stuck. So it's like, if you guys know how to fix this, if I can fix this on my own, or if I've never heard anybody having this problem, but basically like just not engaging the brake with the light. If you guys know that if like an easy fix that I can do, I tried Googling and I couldn't really find anything. It's kind of a weird issue, but if you guys know, let me know in the comment section down below, because I'm trying to save money right now. I just moved to a new area. The mechanic that I usually go to is like over an hour away, maybe 2 hours, like honestly maybe 3 hours with all this traffic, because it's back in Orange County. I mean, it's like an hour away driving like normally, but like they're only open during weekdays, I'm pretty sure. And so if I did, I would have to drive really far. And I would prefer to just fix it. If you guys know how to fix it, let me know. Sorry, this is just a little update video. I don't really feel that safe driving it too much, so I'm basically, you guys know me, like I'm just driving part-time. I was gonna go out and drive last night. I don't know why that sounds weird. I was gonna go drive out yesterday, but I don't know. I want to make sure my car gets like, is all good. Like it just feels a little off. I don't know. So I thought I could figure it out, but I can't. I'm asking you guys for help. I'm desperate. Thank you if you can try to help me out. I would really, really appreciate it. So yeah. Oh, I did want to show you guys one last thing. I'm really excited about something. Are you guys ready for this? You guys ready for my little secret? Well, first of all, I went grocery shopping and I finally have food in here. Oh yeah, I have my whole coffee set up too. So before I was just doing the French press every day. Now I have the pour overs. I have the Chemex, and then I have the single cup one. I don't know, I can't figure out how to use this because I don't know, like I don't know if I need an extra pot to put on the bottom, but my big surprise that I'm really happy about is I got all my waters. I don't know, I just love having this, and I can just take one out and grab one. It's just very satisfying. I've always wanted a fridge that just had, I want to get like other juices here too. I don't know, leave your comments down below. What else should I fill? I probably will have like 2 rows of waters, a row of like Red Bulls, a row of like some juice or something. I don't want to get anything with like preservatives though. So like, I don't know, maybe I'll do like beers or something, or White Claws for guests. I don't drink that stuff, but like, you know, I know girls do. So anyways guys, thank you, and some guys too, you know, judge. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. You guys are great. I will talk to y'all soon. Again, let me know if you can help me out with that. I would really appreciate it. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye guys.